We're here on Royal Caribbean Odyssey of the Seas. Here is 6240 Junior Suite. And it has a doorbell. It's weird for a junior suite to have a doorbell. So you walk in, they have digital controlled. But check this out. You have a half bath on the left. And on the right, just a tub and a shower. Now, the last time I was on Odyssey, I had a junior suite. We actually had 1.5 baths. So this one would have a toilet as well as the other one, but I don't know what category, J3, J4, but anyway, good enough. There's your bath. Full-length mirror. Here's your closet. That's a big closet. They gave me 2 robes. There's only one person here, but anyway. Lots of drawers. Nice carpeting. Some artwork. Nice little area here. Nice workspace. You have a little couch, a love seat, your bed. Here's your other closet space with your safe and some more drawers. And it has more than one window, and it's a nice balcony here. We're in Fort Lauderdale. Look at this nice balcony. It's very nice. And we're here in Port Everglades. You can see the Princess cruises right there. Emerald Princess. You got a Holland America ship over there. The Euro Dam. We had a few ships in port. Celebrity Reflections over there. I saw a Disney ship back over there. So there is your Port Everglades bonus coverage. There is your former Pier 66 hotel. There's a restaurant on the top that rotates around, and we are able to just pull right out of here and head out. But that is your room tour, 6240 Junior Suite on Odyssey of the Seas. Are here on Odyssey of the Seas doing a deck 6